In my class, we're always experimenting with AI.
We did a logo designing project.
The most common way that I explain it is it's an assistant. So I think it's really important to tell students that it's not the expert that we think it is, and to tell students that you don't want your assistant doing all the work, because theoretically you're the one getting paid.
You have to have the skill before using AI. Using it for help instead of using it to do your work.
As a teacher, I use it to help plan. By using AI to make the rubrics, I can help students when they come into my room and need more help. I have more flexibility in my schedule because I have an assistant helping me with things. And I think that that's priceless.
AI is kind of like a hammer. If you put a hammer out into a field and come back a week later, you're not gonna have a house there. But if you have that hammer and you put in the work with that hammer, you could build a house. But what it needs is you.
My do's and don'ts for teachers are: don't let people tell you that your fears are invalid. Don't let people tell you that the things that you're worrying about don't matter. If you're worried about student data, that's valid. If you're worried about students not having skills, 100%. But I think that what you can't do is you can't let fear prevent you from equipping students with skills that they will need in this world today.
I didn't really know how to use AI before this in like a smart way, so having somebody who I see on a normal basis and I trust teach me was extremely helpful so that I would know how to use it correctly.
I've been involved with the NEA task force on AI. NEA gives me, a teacher in Maine, a group of teachers and professionals that are having conversations about it and some guidelines about it. And it's a platform to talk about AI, but it's also a resource to learn about AI. And I think that that is very powerful.